So we are going to break up our paper into 3 spaces. We're going to create a space for the beginning of our story, create a space for the middle of our story, and create a final space for the end of our story. So I'm going to give you this spacer. It's kind of like a ruler, but it's 6 inches wide so that we can get 3 equal spaces on our paper. So you're going to take this spacer and you're going to lay it down on your paper to where it touches the top and the bottom of the paper. If I turn it this way, does it touch the top and the bottom?
No.
No, so I know I have to turn it this way. And I make sure I don't turn my paper this way because that won't work either. I need to turn my paper horizontally and I lay this down. Now when I lay this down, I need to look at this space and this space. Are they the same size?
No.
No, they're not. I need to scoot this over. So if I scoot it this way, are they the same size now?
No.
No, it got worse, didn't it? So I need to scoot it this way until this space and this space look equal. And they look pretty close to the same size. So now what I do is I hold my spacer down with one hand. In the other hand, I take my pencil and I draw right next to that spacer from the top of my paper to the bottom. And I do the same on this side. From the top of my paper to the bottom of my paper, I draw right next to the spacer. So now when I pick up my spacer, I have 3 equal spaces. One for the beginning of my story, one for the middle of my story, and one for the end of my story.